So, Hat Pearl, who do you think will leave?
Sorry, who's talking to me?
It's me, Blue Velvet, you idiot.
Well, it's not my fault. I can't see.
Then take the dang hat off, you dummy!
I can't. It's stuck permanently on me.
My bad, I just get irritated real easily.
Oh. So you are Blue Velvet.
Yeah, you got it right, idiot.
I knew I recognized that anger.
Shut up.
Anyways, I'm not sure who's leaving. It could be anyone.
Well, duh, you idiot.
Do you know who's leaving, Blue Velvet?
Of course not. How should I know?
Yeah, understandable.
I think I know who's leaving. Don't give me a heart attack, idiot.
Now, who's that?
It's fake Pearl.
Wait, sorry, who am I talking to?